I want to start with our left hand. Can we put our left hand, we'll put it in C position, and make sure when you play the blue chord, we don't want to see any chicken elbow wings. You're going to slide your hand up to play it. Okay, here we go. We're going to try it together. Let's play the first one. You ready? Red. Are you using your 5, 3, 1? Nice. Let's try that minor blue chord. Slide up with the fingers. You're going to play 5, 2, 1. Blue, do you play the A flat on the top? Come back to the red. And now we go to that yellow chord. I love that you don't have to worry about any flats. Yellow chord. Back to the minor red chord. Let's do that with our right hand. Okay, same thing. We're going to use the same fingers. 1, 3, 5, and the note in the middle is our flat. Let's play our minor red chord. How do we play our blue chord? We use those same fingers, 1, 3, 5. But to play our minor blue chord, we have to make a flat. Don't let any chicken elbow wings in there. Play it minor. Are you playing the A flat on the top? Let's slide back down to the minor red chord. And we love yellow. You don't have to worry about any flats on him. Let's play our yellow chord. And then let's end back on our minor red chord.